Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna be doing a review on our Pokemon studio. Like we just decided to get a table and just put our Pokemon cards on it. You see JT over here throwing his cards or rearranging and whatnot. You see here we have a Rayquaza pack. See here we have a Charizard. A Charizard pack. If you notice, these two are on the same kind of packs. Like on the side here, it's Charizard. And Rayquaza is right there. No! Okay, we just got like a little pile of cards here. And right here, we just collect packs. Here's our little few packs of cards. So we still got a little bit more that we didn't unbox yet. We have like, dang, why don't you put that back in there? Right here is the Audino shiny Ashwat.
Why are you taking my phone?
See here we have an Ashwat pack. See here we have a Tepid pack with an Ashwat in front. On the last video we did a review on this. Some cards in it. Here's some rubber bands just in case we need to put some rubber bands on the cards. Here's a Zekrom top that goes to the Zekrom box. Will I touch it? Some cards right here. That we just decided to put in. You see, just got done counting. Another few. Nobody touched you. Okay. And that was just a quick review on our Pokemon studio. Hope you like it. Subscribe and comment. See ya.